Today, we're celebrating the groundbreaking of Trelleborg Healthcare and Medical into Costa Rica. It's our first facility in Costa Rica, so we're quite excited about this.
The initial growth plan is to hire about 100 people to get the project off the ground. But ultimately, of course, we have signed up for an extension, so this can go quite quickly to 200 and beyond as we grow. There's one really exciting part about working together. It's not just a property and a building, it's all the services that come around with it. It is helping us find the people, it is giving us support as we establish it and start growing. So we have a long-term growth plan that we feel is going to be safely supported in this growth.